Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I did not make a video yesterday because the market's just been very choppy. There obviously is gonna big move is coming in this, but like I just don't know when. So when I just see price action like this, I don't even consider trading. I haven't traded at all this week, honestly. Because the big move is coming. It's just either we test 20-day bounce, right? With this all this liquidity that we're building right here, or we just break below 20-day, right? We test 20-day, and then head down, right? Close this inverse cup, right? Test 20-day, and then move up, right? Form that shoulder and then right shoulder right here, right? So the market is setting up, and if you are over trading or even you traded this week, just know you are just playing the chop, or you're just playing you're not playing real context, you're just gambling at this point. You need to wait for a confirmation of some sort of move to actually take a trade, right? You can see how the orange has been the resistance, right? You can see it right here, which I in my previous video I said, right? And that's how it's been playing out. And then to even see some type of weakness, right, we need to break out of this orange right here. Um, and to even see some type of buying continuation, we need to break out of this blue, right? The blue selling, controlled selling, right? We are building that liquidity for a bounce, right? So we have that perfect left shoulder right here. Head, if it forms right here tomorrow, then the bounce probably on Friday, right? Or it might even happen tomorrow as well, right? Depends. But tomorrow or Friday, we should see the move. Hopefully, right? Um, but if we're headed down, for the confirmation would be the 5-day crossing below the 20-day, right? Um, and then rejecting off a 5-day right here, right? And then headed down, right? But this is a pretty good support area, so let the inverse cup close here, right? Or even if you want to wait for the bigger move, right? Wait for the cup to close. So since Monday, I've actually been waiting for that, right? Either the cup close, right? Or the inverse cup close, right? That's all you have to wait for. And if you took this trade, you know this is choppy as hell, right? So it's just all about understanding market context, getting that experience, right? Honestly, if you did want to play in the range, right? Because today we did have this type of range, right? From blue to orange, right? So there was a pretty good risk to reward, right? So you could have taken this trade, right, from the purple, right? But again, if you're playing, all we're waiting for is that big move, right? That we know it's gonna come. Just we don't know when, right? We can't predict the markets, but we know where the markets would be headed, right? So that's all you have to wait for. Right, we have various liquidity levels. The market built itself up pretty good, actually. Right, the left shoulder right here, possible head right here. Let's wait for the 20-day move tomorrow, right? So, but you see this controlled selling right here. I'm gonna make that. Actually, I'm gonna do it right now. Right. But yeah, so today, this week's kind of been slow. I'm not gonna lie, but that's okay. But that's why I also didn't make yesterday a video, because it's just been the same. If you understand the market context, you just know that it's the same applies, right? Wait for the cup or wait for the inverse cup, right? And then the 5 and the 20-day, right? Crucial, right? Either reject right here or bounce up from here, right? So yeah. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. If you've been trading too heavy this week, I suggest you learn, or just have patience. You learn that patience, right? Every day you don't have to trade, and the market has been giving us blessings on blessings, right? So you do expect some type of chop like this. Let me see the daily chart actually. Let me see if the contracted. Yeah. So so you can see how we are contracting, right? The Bollingers are contracting, right? So uh, definitely a big move will come, right? Because you can see that we are in the squeeze of a Bollinger, right? Bollingers are starting to squeeze, and we will get that move, right? So it's just all the markets just building liquidity, and just wait for the breakout, right? Well, they know. But there is no weakness yet, right? Until we reject the 20-day right here, right? Close this inverse cup, reject 20-day, right? Anyways, yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.